Hello, physics, thermodynamics, refrigerator, and air conditioners. Restaurant refrigerators have normally COP, which is equal to 5. If the temperature of the kitchen is at 29 degrees C, then what will be the lowest temperature of the refrigerator? So we have to find this one. So COP, coefficient of performance, is equal to T of low and divided by T hot minus T low. So if you consider COP is equal to X, so that will be equal to X is equal to T L T H minus T L. So we have to find T L. T L we have to find. So this will be multiplied, cross multiplication. So X into T H minus T L is equal to T L. So this will go in this side. XTH is equal to TL plus XTL. TL common. TL common 1 plus X into TH. We have to find TL. So TL is equal to X over X plus 1 into T of H. So X is equal to 5 over by 6 into TH is equal to 29 degrees C plus 273. Then it will be Kelvin. So this is equal to 252 Kelvin, which is equal to minus 21 degrees C. This will be the TL. So this says that uh, minus 21 degrees C and 29 degrees C, COP is equal to 5. So this will be the normal COP of restaurant refrigerators.